How to make money with real estate. 7 strategies every investor should know. Welcome to Passive Income and Beyond. Today we're diving into 7 essential strategies to make money with real estate investments. 1. Focus on cash flow properties. Always look for properties that generate strong, consistent cash flow. This should be your number 1 priority when buying. 2. Leverage other people's money. Utilize loans and partnerships to scale your investments without using all your own capital. 3. Buy in emerging markets. Target areas where property values are rising due to infrastructure development or population growth. 4. Value-add properties. Invest in homes that need renovation or upgrades and increase the property's value to maximize returns. 5. Diversify property types. Spread your investments across commercial, residential, and vacation rentals to minimize risk. 6. Utilize tax advantages. Take advantage of deductions like depreciation and mortgage interest to save on taxes. 7. Hold for long-term appreciation. Think long-term when investing, as real estate values typically appreciate significantly over time. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.